If you are a non-US citizen, you probably have this problem for fees. So in this lesson, we are going to be discussing shortly fees, how to avoid them, and how to pay the minimal amount of fees when it comes to credit card conversions for non-US citizens. So stick around till the end. So if you have a non-US citizen bank, that means that you're not holding the USD in your bank. You're probably holding your local currency. And that's not a problem because it's local for you. But when you're trying to buy from AliExpress or when you're trying to buy from Amazon and so on to ship to the customer, this you will have a problem. Which is the problem is that the conversion from the local currency to the USD currency, it will apply a fee. And this fee will have quite problems. This fee could be high, this fee could be not stable. So to avoid this, all you have to do is contact your bank, let your bank know that basically, hey, I would like a checking account in USD where I can hold USD. Make sure you convert your local bank currency to USD and make sure that you hold USD directly so that when you get a charge in your credit card or your debit card, you don't get the crazy high fees and stable and so on. That's pretty much it. Or you can use even Pioneer. For example, when you receive money from eBay, keep USD balance that you use to buy in new orders. That's about it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.